Noon over here. Welcome back to Prince City, team. I hope you guys are ready for an exciting afternoon. I mean, a lot of the money's already been made this morning. If you guys have been following along with a lot of the things that we have been trying to just bash into your guys' heads over the last couple of months here, you had three incredible trades with these traffic lights. You had this one to the downside, which I did hit. I believe I tapped this one to the upside. Maybe not. I mean, I had some nice 1 minute trades today. I'm up about 0.5% on the day. I don't care. I'm just trying to stay green, keep a green streak alive. And then let's see what we get. So you had this one to the downside, this one to the upside, this one to the downside. I mean, these were good here, but the best thing about these traffic lights, man, is that they're self-corrective, like Gabe says, and the risk is super small. If you know what you're doing, if you've been coming to the master classes, you know exactly how to trade these 1 minute traffic lights. So again, team, as you guys are filtering in here, make sure you guys smack the literal living fuck out of the like button. It helps out a whole lot with the algorithms over here. And by popular demand, today is finally the day for all of you guys. The lifetime payment plan is now live. The link is at the top of the live chat. If you guys are already an existing member, reach out to Diana and she will help you guys get transferred over to that lifetime payment plan, 10 months of monthly payments, and you will never have to pay again. And if you guys do want actual live access to the masterclasses and beta access to all the new products that we're coming out with in the near future, that's going to be coming with the 3-year plan that is also listed on the platform. So again, if you want to upgrade, make sure you reach out to Diana. For all you new people, no more codes, no more coupon codes, nothing. You guys are all good to go. Everybody gets their 2 weeks for free and all that nonsense here too. But team, how we doing? Everybody having a good day? Winning loser, what'd you do? Snort the VIX. That didn't need to get timed out. All right, guys, 20 likes away from 50. You freeloaders. Let's see what we get today. I've got some really, really solid videos out here coming up for all you guys, all the short form videos. Make sure you guys are following me on TikTok, Instagram. It's both Short the VIX 1. Make sure that you guys do that. Just helps out a little bit. You guys were really enjoying some of the videos I've been posting recently. I appreciate you guys. The one coming out a little bit later today is going to be awesome. We have a YouTube short coming out later, but let's see what the spy's actually going to get over here. He thought it was being spammed. Yeah, because everybody was like, you're doing blow. I'm like, I don't do cocaine, bro. That's not what we do around here. All right, we are what? 17 likes away from 50. Who's going to be lucky number 50? Let's see what we get, team. All right, let's see. Good afternoon, lads. What's up, Kelly? How you doing, pal? How you doing, buddy? Uh-oh, you're slacking. You're slacking. Let's see. Party's over. It's Kelly. Hi, Kelly. How you doing, pal? All right. This is just choppy bullshit. There's no real needs to be trading this one. Coke and hookers is only for aftermarket hours? I guess so, man. I mean, I guess. Little green today, and I'm happy with it. There you go. Andres, there you go, buddy. Good afternoon. How you doing? Spy looks bullish for the day. Who cares? I mean, it doesn't really make it. It doesn't really make a difference. This actually looks like chop zone. Holy shit, TTF Colt Rookie Broski. What's up, buddy? Stopping in to smack that like button. Good afternoon, Vix. Hope you're killing it today. Dude, good day today. Good day today. Caught a bit in the chop today. Let's hope for a direction at 2 p.m. Then we might get that, man. I mean, maybe. I don't think I'm going to take any more trades today. It's not really worth it. It really isn't. I mean, why? I'm already up. Why push it? Let's see. Bing! Bing! Like I give a fuck. All right, let's see. Bro, I've kind of gotten to the point here where, like, if anybody just says, like, complete dumb shit on social media where it's just like, I don't remember if you know how to breathe, you're getting blocked. Like, at this point, you see all the success with the 1348 team. Like, if you're not going to get in at this point, it's like you just have the wrong mindset. You guys have been seeing it for a year, people printing, get in or don't. Doesn't matter to me. I mean, I've said it before, I'll say it again. You're welcome for all the crazy tools that we provided you guys, and you'd have to be a moron to not see the power of what we're giving you at this point. It's up to you. Nobody's coming to save you. You think fucking Adam Aaron's going to come and save you out of this thing? It's the afternoon. We're getting spicy. They're just going to steal more money from you. They've proven that with Ape. They've proven that with everything else. Good luck. Good luck. If you haven't learned yet, after the 17th millionth time it's happened, good luck. Don't bring any penny stocks in here. Yeah, don't you dare do any of that nonsense. Oh, Pepsi's ripping? What's up with Pepsi? Ooh, hi, Pepsi. Oh, a little traffic light there. Hello. Hello. I know there's going to be somebody in here that gets butthurt by the comments I make. Good. You should be. It's a good feeling to be in a trade with only 2% of your port. The stop loss game is def the way to go. It's almost like I know what the fuck I'm talking about. How was I not subbed to STV? Short me, Jason. I appreciate you, buddy. Welcome to all the new subs. Welcome to all the new members. What's up, team? But yeah, Kendall, I'm glad you're liking the stop loss strategy. It's fucking filthy. It is filthy. Don't bring any penny stock bullshit in here, dude. This is just chop zone doing zero. What's up, Rance? How you doing, buddy? How you doing, pal? Ooh, 1 like away from 50. Thank you, team. Let's get after it in this afternoon. I mean, it is the afternoon stream, so we could go a little bit left. We're gonna do some full screen shit because that's what we do around here. Oh, dude, I love you guys. They don't want the smoke. Everyone will light them up in here. Oh, no, they will. Chilling, day off, going to the gym early. Nice, dude. You got to steal the cougar somehow. I mean, you know, you got to do it somehow. Number 52, AR guy. Appreciate that, buddy. 1348 got in last week. There you go. You got lifetime then. Now it's a 3-year deal. But there you go. I'm just watching my first paper trade go right now while watching you, Jason. Nice, man. There you go. We need a full screen rant. On what, though? I've already done a lot of them. Nobody's really triggered me in a way today. I'm just kind of like feeding into shit for fun. Hi, SV. Hi, Rose. How you doing? What's up, everybody? How are we doing? Hopefully. All right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do a little bit of a roll call today. 1348 game. We got what? Like 175 of you guys in here. How many of you guys are up over 1% on your account? Traffic lights for the win. Let's see. What are you guys at today? Roll call. Let's see the gains. Walking away for the day. Randy, that's fine. Christian, let's see. Life Wisdom, there you go. Let's see it, team. How you doing? Traders Anonymous, attaboy. Tabasco Dave's up 7. Moonbound Monkey, 2.3. Christian, 3. John, as usual, buddy, I would expect nothing less. Rose, not a hedge fund. JDR Sancho, 8%. Jesus Christ. Up for the day, over 2%. 3.7 up, down 2. Hey, you got to keep those losses in check. Not 1%, but green. Yeah, I mean, me too. I'm up about half. 8.9% up, 2.3, 12, 4, 3, 6, 4.4. The bot is up 5% since Friday. That's mostly trading AMC. There you go. You're only up 0.6. Can't find any more plays. There you go. Sachin, attaboy. Guys, again, make sure that you guys are hopping in there. Everybody gets a 2-week free trial to the monthly, to the normal monthly. And again, it's about $30 a month cheaper than it was 2 months ago. That's not going to stay the same. We are going to be raising prices eventually. Don't get left behind. We will leave you behind. The things that we're offering you guys are just, they're probably worth like $500 a month at this point. You get traffic lights, you get real-time unusual options activity, you get proprietary trading algorithms, you get live streams every single day. You get like, again, guys, don't get left behind. We've really been telling you about this stuff for a while, but let's see. Up 2% off to your side hustle. Steal some lives Ubering. Jesus. 8% up. Jesus. 0.64% on the port. Looking to keep the 1% streak alive this afternoon. Kendall, attaboy. Attaboy, team. Let's see. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Let's get after it, dude. I love you guys. I fucking love you guys in the live chat. Got to stay active, more money. You got to stay moving. Got to stay moving, team. Let's see. Let's see. Am I TikTok famous yet? I know I've got like 150 followers on there. I did post a little TikTok earlier today. So all you guys that already do follow me on TikTok, you wouldn't mind going and helping that one out. Ape, stop. Stop. You mean theft stock? That one? The theft stock? Let's see. Keeps on flickering. SPX, bro. What are you doing in SPX? You better have a big account if you're trading SPX, buddy. $9. Oh, look, Moaz. Yeah, let me know when it gets back above when I called it dead. Because then I can then be right, and then you guys can be neutral who think I'm wrong, but I'm not. Tomorrow, my funds finally settle on Webull. There you go. At the levels you bought in at. Ape is real good right now. You're going to get diluted, bro. Do what you want. It's your money. You guys can do what you want. But the fact that they didn't sell it when it was at like 7, 8, 9, 10, drunk. Absolutely drunk. HIBS. What is this? I don't like these. I don't like anything that's 3 times levered. I know you guys do. I just don't like them. Again, you can day trade them if you want. The problem with 3 times levered ETFs, listen up. This is the problem with 3 times levered ETFs. People don't know what they are. This is the issue, guys. And you have to know exactly what you're trading before you do. That's why in our options trading curriculum, we break down exactly what everything is. What a 3 times levered ETF is it's effectively a derivative already. So then you're like, if you're thinking about it in terms of calculus, when you trade options on that, you're effectively trading the integral, which is weird. It's going to move all over the place. That's not necessarily the most wild part about it. But if you're swing trading them or holding them overnight, they have to recalibrate because they get out of whack throughout the day. And in order to do that, they have a variety of different bonds and swaps that are building up these 3 times levered ETFs in order to give them leverage. I've seen it happen a couple of times with these 3 times levered things. Like I'll be in a position. Let's say I'm in puts. The thing will go down 7%. My contracts won't move. I'm like, what? How does this work? They're very, very strange. Can you day trade them? You can. I just think in terms of the risk reward, there's way better things out there. I know DM Ohio likes TQQQ. There's a couple of other ones that you guys like. They're just not for me. I don't like them. I'll just trade SPY and make a bunch of money on it. You joined when it was 69 a month. Do I need to upgrade? Am I missing out on something? Yeah, I mean, you are gonna miss the master classes. But we are giving you guys the payment plan for lifetime now. So it's 10 payments of 150. After that, you are done. You never have to pay again in your life. We wanted to make lifetime a little bit more accessible to everybody, which is, I mean, what the community was asking for. So that's what we did. We still have the live masterclass and the beta access tier for you guys too. It's the 3-year plan over there. So if you guys do want to upgrade, just reach out to Diana and she will help you out. Bed Bath & Beyond's up 40%. Ooh, that sounds like an amazing put position. Oh, yeah, bro. Oh, yeah. Look at this. As soon as this shows signs of weakness on the 4-hour, nail it. Thank you. So I see SPY's going to drop to about 340 this week. What? Are you drunk? Are you drunk? I mean, this situation right here is exactly what I was talking about on Instagram this weekend. You guys made lifetime accessible. Other Discord classes don't even make their one class accessible. That's awesome. Sachin, I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, reach out to Diana and you're good to go. But this situation right here is exactly what I was talking about on my TikTok and Instagram. Is this a public stream? Yeah, of course it is. They're all public. This is nonsense. If you just look at Bed Bath & Beyond right now, it's up 40%. If you think that a stock that's up 40% is a good buy, say goodbye to your money. If you continue to do this, guys, if you continue to behave like this in the market, you are going to be very, very, very disappointed. Very disappointed. Now, we can look here and see where the traffic lights are, and we can go back here and take a look at the daily. You get the daily over here. I mean, it's okay, but at the same time, it's like, guys, if you're buying shit that's already up 40%, in your mind, like you're expecting it to go up another 40. Why the fuck would it do that when it's about to declare bankruptcy anyway? What's wrong with you? It's your money. If you want to piss it away, there's a lot more fun ways to piss away money. Like there's what I could name a million different ways that's way more fun to piss away money than buying a stock that's already up 40%. Is anybody going to tell me that I'm wrong? Does anybody have a valid argument as to why buying stocks that are already up 40% is actually a good idea? And they're not most likely just going to come crashing down. Would I take options on AMC due to being placed on the threshold list? Absolutely fucking not. When has that ever had an effect on anything? Never. These are fucked. That's why they're not. They're fine. What if you're sitting on 1,300 better after beyond shares over 12 months old? Well, if you buy shares of something, you better have a thesis as to why you're buying it, and hopefully that you're right. And here's the thing, Lawrence, you had an opportunity to sell it at what, 30, and then you didn't. I don't get it, man. Jesus, I can't help you if you don't want to be helped. Genuinely, I've given you, me and Gabe have given you the best tools that retail investors have ever had access to make money in this market consistently. But if you then take those tools, learn them, and then when you see a stock run up 40%, you then go and buy it, and you go back to that nonsense to the moon thing, all the work that you've put into trying to break these terrible habits in the market was for nothing. It's very similar to this. Let's say that you're a heroin addict, and you then stop doing heroin for 4 months, but nobody's offered you heroin in that 4-month time frame. Then all of a sudden you go back home and your buddy goes, "Do you want some heroin? I have some." And you just take it and start shooting it. What the fuck was the last 4 months for then? Seriously. Are you going to let us help you, or are you going to shoot heroin? Is essentially what you're doing. What's with all the drug talk? I just thought that was a good analogy. These are the folks that need 1340. Exactly. Those of you guys that want to buy those stocks up 40%, that's exactly why we created this platform. It's directed at you. It makes me sick that people are still doing this. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. You guys are slacking really hard today. Really hard. Let's see. Pure degen gambling. Exactly. Is SPY going to die or what? I don't know, man. This thing's got a lot of support down here. I don't think I'm going to touch it for the rest of the day. Is it next to the dumpster behind a Burger King? It might be. I don't know. It's like the other example I told you guys about the cheating girlfriend. It's the same deal. It's the same deal. Okay, I feel like you guys aren't going to take this seriously. If I came to you guys with evidence that your girl's cheating on you, let's say I'm your best friend, what would you do? The behavior that these idiots are doing, that buying stocks that are up 40% in a day, they're just like, nah, bro, it's cool. She loves me, and I love her. Do you know how stupid you look? So dumb. I've been missing you. I've been working for 3 months nonstop. Cedar. Oh, you've missed a lot, pal. Say thanks. You're a real one. Exactly. But what happened when I basically did that, the equivalent of that to everybody, is they said, I'm going to kill you. Why are you mad at me? Don't shoot the messenger. Guess who's still alive? Me. Guess who's down a bunch of money? Them. Like, let's see. I mean, it is what it is, man. You want to be helped? Cool. If you don't, keep doing what you're doing, because you're going to have the same results. Popped in to wish you a happy birthday and to give a like. Thank you, Vixie. Ooh, we're about 20 likes away from 100. Don't let everyone treat you less than you deserve ever. Well, okay. We don't have to go into the actual reality of that analogy, but yes, you are right, Purple Sky. Also, shout out to you for becoming a new member of the channel. I appreciate that. Some people have to learn the hard way. This is the problem, though. This is the actual problem. They've already learned it. They've already learned. Think about it. They've already learned. Imagine that situation with the cheating girlfriend, but it happens like 5 or 6 times. At that point, what does the friend do? Whatever, bro. Do what you're going to do. Hope it works out. But we all know what's about to happen. That's what happens. SPY on fucking crack. No, they should have learned, but they didn't. So it is what it is. What if she's cheating, but I don't care because I'm on heroin? You got bigger problems than that, buddy. You got more problems. I felt your frustration in your voice. Yeah, dude. Because it's the same thing as like, I want people making money in the market. So many people are being led to slaughter right now, and it's sad. The video that I'm posting on Instagram later today is going to be a little bit more on that side of it. Get ready for that one, guys. You guys really ran up one of them this weekend. I appreciate that, team. So that's going to go out on TikTok and Instagram later. I've got a YouTube short going out. Let's see. SPY's moving up here a little bit. Hello. But I was wondering, SPY is driven by ES, not the inverse. So why do you always analyze SPY versus ES? Because I trade SPY. I'm not trading the futures. If I was trading the futures, I'd be looking at ES. So like what some people will do is they'll like look at QQQ and then trade TQQQ or like the other way around. And I like, if I'm trading one thing, I'm going to chart that thing. Like imagine using NVIDIA to trade AMD. Like it wouldn't make sense. I mean, there's sympathies. That's not the best example, but that's really why. Like if I was trading ES, I would be looking at ES. If I was trading SPX, Tim, don't fucking make you mad. Because you're going to learn, buddy. You are going to learn. Oh my God. Here they come. Here they come. The morons are in my live chat. I like it. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in to 140. Who the fuck told you that? Remember the last time that happened? Oh, 8 to 80. Guess what happened? Everybody got fucking rug pulled. Yeah, that's exactly what happened. Good for you. You listen to morons on the internet. Look how it turned out for you. Dude, we are getting spicy on this afternoon stream. Ooh, I like it. I think he meant $1.40. No, it can run to 140 though. No. So angry. I know. But here they come. We've been here for months. Not you. He forgot the decimal point. He might have. All right, guys. 6 likes away from 100. I hope I piss some of you guys off too, because I want you thinking. That's why I get so animated sometimes and crazy. So I talk loudly and you hear it. I need you to hear it. You see SPY's going to drop to 340 this week. Why, Chad? Why? Who? Why? That would literally be like halt. Like, you're not going to 340. It's not even cheating if you do it for profit. That's called cucking. Dude, you guys are wild. Dude, Pepe and I... Sorry, I just knocked some shit over. Pepe and I just said at the same time, watch, it will happen. All right, buddy. Well, you can't just say, trust me, bro. The SPY's going to fucking new lows. Like, you can't just say that you haven't seen Ortex recently, because it's useless. It's going to happen because someone said so. Oh yeah, just like AMC to 140 this week. Yeah, just like that. Fucking let's see how that goes. They must be really smart, right? Are you guys going to yell at them when it completely doesn't come true? Or are you going to follow them and suck their nuts the next time that they say that? I bet it's going to be the second one, because you're still caught up on that hopium heroin. When I've been over here telling you guys, hey, careful, you're putting your hand on a hot stove. Current state of the market, in your opinion, what's the overall picture? I'd say it's short-term bullish right now until we get more data. We know you and Gabriel Bill for all the smoke, but seriously, these clowns don't deserve the attention. I'm trying to save people, bro. That's really what it is. That's my mission. That, and have at least 10 millionaire interviews this year. Let's see. All right, guys. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. Let's focus on the things that actually matter, and it's making you guys money in the market, not lotto tickets. Jesus. Figure it the fuck out. Isn't Ortex a good market tool? Not really. It can give you a little bit more insight into where things are headed, one, but it's delayed. Um, and you have to remember that if you're literally going to buy something based on the short interest or utilization, you're dumb. Like it doesn't make any sense. All right, guys. 2 likes away from 100. Thank you. Thank you. We got SPY on the 1 minute here, but I don't like any of this. This nonsense. But your fractals and patterns. What happened the last Jesus? What happened the last time somebody came out talking about fractals and patterns with you guys? So, can it run? Yeah. Is it more likely or less likely after ape? Way less likely. Volume profile supports bearish targets. Right. But I understand if you're using volume profile, but you can't then say, Chad, if those are the levels, that it's going to go to 340. Like that's crazy. Girl, I mean, they could if they wanted to. Let's see. Same pattern. That's irrelevant to me. I don't care what the pattern is. So glad you did 11 days of expiration on this paper trader. You'd be stopped out now with all the chop. Nice, Jason. There you go, dude. Getting more time. You're starting off strong, buddy. You're building good habits. Good for you, dude. Congratulations, buddy. The original Reddit people. I don't care, bro. Why does that matter? Jesus. Oh, my Lord. Who fucking cares? You're going to listen to some moron sitting in his mom's basement on the internet? Don't listen to me. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I give you the strategy and I teach you tools about trading in the market. Never, ever, ever listen to me. Remember the bold SPY predictions? I was like, I had to stop doing it because I knew people were fucking willy-nilly and shit. No, we're not doing that nonsense here. And I've talked about this a lot. You're never going to get rich following somebody else's trades. It's never going to happen. Your exit liquidity, they are using you. And even if you're paying them, you're paying them to be used as exit liquidity. Then you don't learn anything and you're fucked having less money and you haven't learned shit. You know where to go if you want to learn stuff, team. Spicy the VIX today. We're getting spicy over here. Oh, what's up, Rogue? How you doing, buddy? Any crosses looking good? Right now, this market just looks incredibly choppy. I mean, if it broke above or below this little chop zone that we're in, this like 410.50 versus basically and 409, it's just a $1.50 range that it's just chopping around in, I'm probably not touching it. Did he just call us turds? It was an accident. It was an accident. Wish SPY would eat something spicy. I mean, me too. But like, it is what it is. Sometimes it's not going to give you what you need to see. But team, make sure that you guys are getting your 2-week free trials to the best place to come and learn how to trade. None of this follow trading bullshit. Teaching you an actual proven out strategy on how to make money in the market. You guys want to take it to the next level? You guys know where to find us. And we just gave you that lifetime payment plan today for 10 months. Then you never have to pay again. Oh my God, Alaman, I literally just fucking talked about this. If you're going to buy a stock that's up 40% in a day, you're a fucking idiot. Think about the probabilities of what's more likely to happen. Think about it. Think. Jesus Christ. Think. Use your fucking brains, team. I'm going to go crazy today. Like I'm genuinely going to go fucking insane. A stock's up 40% in a day. What's the next most likely move? What is it? What is it? I'm hard on you guys because I need you to fucking understand how the market works because you don't. You're chasing, you're FOMOing, you're doing the same exact things that the other group of retail investors, the 98% that fail. I'm trying to help. So if I come across as being an asshole, it's from a good place. David, that's a fake account. Eric, if you want to know the whole story, go watch the video on Review Dork's channel called Burning Bridges. It'll tell you the whole entire story of what happened with that thing. believe in the company. Okay. I could believe that the market's going to go to fucking 460. Doesn't mean it's going to do it. Belief doesn't move stocks. Market doesn't give a fuck about you. Once you understand that, you will be on the road to success. Let's see. All right, you're coming up to that resistance level here, the 410.50. Let's see if it touches. Hope is not a strategy. It's not. Could it continue up? Yes. I'll say that right now. Could it continue up? It could. But we're not in that game of hoping that a 40% stock continues up. I'm hunting for weakness on it, and I'm going to slap it to the downside when it shows me that I can. Reversals are one of the most profitable strategies, and that's why people have been killing it with us. Just play the damn reversal. What goes up must come down. There's gravity in the market. Just showed my friend a 1348 SPY trade. He watched a 14% gain on calls in real time. There you go, man. That was hot. Okay. I'm not a piece of meat. Powell's going to crush the SPY tomorrow. Is he talking tomorrow? What's he doing? Economic Club of Washington at 1240. Ooh, that's interesting. Yeah, we do have a lot of Fed speakers this week that can move things around. That'll get interesting. But again, you can just see here, it's consolidating in this chop zone. You got to be careful with this. Just takes years off your life. Rogue. Some of these people, man, I'm trying to save them. Like, it's hard, though. It's hard because they just don't want to be saved. She don't want to be saved. Don't save her. Not even get it. Thanks, Alex. Appreciate it. You play the reversal on Carvana? Attaboy, Everett. Uh-oh, Powell, watch out 340. No. Stop it. 1.37% on the day. Ryan. There you go, man. Hey, he's not a piece of meat. Yeah, guys. Make sure you guys come to the best place to learn to trade. Trade1348.com right there. You get 2 weeks free. If you want to do the lifetime payment plan, you pay for 10 months and then you're done. If you want to get live access to the lifetime master classes and beta access to all the crazy new shit that we're going to be bringing you guys to the platform coming up very soon. Oh, look at this. And again, you guys just got the traffic lights on the daily alerts and the 4-hour traffic light alerts right here. You guys can see the 4-hour ones came through. You're going to see these. The daily ones come in after close. So get ready for those. Those are going to be fun. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. Oh, fucking, I know that, bro. The broken light is filthy. Yeah, dude. They're nasty. Ryan, I'm proud of you. If you're up 1.37% of the day, I'm very proud of you. That's awesome. Congratulations, buddy. Sadly, others got to them first. Yeah, they filled their veins with hopium, and now they're going to get led to the slaughter. Again. It's okay. They'll learn. All right. Here's that level here, that 410.50 that I'm kind of looking at. Let's see what happens. That's a nice traffic light here. I just didn't want it because of this chop zone. Oh, you're trading AT&T with the paper account? It's a slow mover, man. Let's see. Yeah? Fuck yeah, Ryan. There you go, buddy. My Captain Save-A-Ho days are over. They want to live in willful ignorance. That's a choice. Yeah. Is there a video on the traffic lights in the Discord? You're not seeing it? Yeah. There's 2. So it's go to the latest content. I have one on my channel. It's the most recent normal YouTube video. And then Gabe has one on his channel as well. Make sure you watch both of those. And then we have the video links in this description. We have the millionaire member interview, which remember, guys, I'm the only person on YouTube with an interview on their channel with one of their members of their platform. I mean, they have nonsense Discords, but we have our platform that turned $8,000 into $1 million. That's the second link. Then the risk management video, reversal strategy, and stop loss strategy, all mandatory watches. The other guy got to join 1348 messaged me with his 1% portfolio gain today as well. Fuck yeah, guys. I love that, man. Again, oh, Nico, is that you being an affiliate, buddy? Attaboy. There you go. We should always teach others, but wait until they're ready to be taught. Here's the problem, Alex. By the time they're ready to be taught, they have no money. It's gone. It's all gone. What's the ETA on updated Pythagoras? The day predictives are nasty. So it's just the trading part of Pythagoras that we needed to tweak. So the day predictive alerts are still filthy, which is where Pythagoras is getting its trades from. It's going to take a little while because I have to split test some things and kind of take a look at the data. But it's the first iteration should be out today. It's not going to be public. Like, you guys aren't going to see it, but I'll be looking at it and moving some shit around as I need to. Your problem is stopping yourself out in profit. That's where the stop loss strategy comes from. That was one of your OG guys that got into the market with me in 2020. Nice. There you guys go. All right, team. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. You guys have been crushing it. Send Spy to test 200, please. Thanks in advance. Oh, should I go to the bathroom and do should I do the thing? That's when you started to learn. Alex, that's why I scream and yell on my live streams all the time. That's seriously what it is. That's why I scream and yell on these, because I'm trying to save you from that situation happening. You get it? Yeah. So when people are sending me death threats and all that stuff, you know what I have to say to that? Go fuck yourself. See what happens. I'm still here. Am I in any trades at the moment? No. No. I don't want anything here. Let's see. Birthday is no longer a catalyst? I don't know, man. I mean, maybe we'll make a bunch of money on the birthday. Well, here's the thing, though. This year, my birthday is on a Saturday. So we'll have to celebrate it on a Friday. Eric, I haven't seen that. Clap. Stop. Why do you guys like to treat me like a piece of meat? Why is that what we do here? Birthday boy? Dude, my birthday's in May. I'm going to be old as shit. I'm going to be 24 years old, bro. 24. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that nuts, bro? I think you guys met me when I was 21. That's so many years. Well, let me think, because it was... No, maybe I was 22. Shut up, kid. Because we love you. Thank you. Oh my God, 24 is not old. I'm going to feel old as shit, bro. Let's see. Welcome to the deli. You are the meat. Okay. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks. I didn't realize that I was going to be treated like a little internet hooker, but you know, you were more mature back then. No. Who said BBY will be in bankruptcy? Oh, if they're filing for bankruptcy, that's not a buy signal. It's just not. It can continue to run up just like Revlon and then death. Be careful. Be careful. All right, guys. Dude, we're like 40 likes away from 150. We got a shitload of slackers in here. Don't be slacking on me. Then I can rent a car. I'm pretty sure I can rent exotic cars now. Any boomers in the chat? We got a lot of boomers in the chat, dude. A lot of boomers. Oh yeah. Also, for all you new members, tonight, Monday nights, we do the new member live streams to catch you guys up on the basics of the strategy. So make sure you guys are there for that. Everybody that's coming in that's new, getting their 2-week free trials, we got you guys tonight at around 8 is when we do those. Why are people saying Bed Bath & Beyond will merge a trap? Yeah, it's people trying to basically convince other people to buy based on shit that probably, I mean, maybe it could happen, but I highly doubt it. Let's see. Sweet. I'll be there. Perfect, buddy. Yeah. So everybody that's hopping in today, make sure that you guys come to that live stream tonight. If you miss it, with the link will still be there. You can catch the replay of it. But make sure that you guys are taking advantage of all the stuff that we give you guys because it's a fuckload. They're all merging. Dude. If you were a piece of meat, you'd be Wagyu. Why do you guys have to treat me this way? Guys, you can't. Here's the deal. You guys cannot come into my live chat every single day and tell me that if I was a piece of meat, I'd be Wagyu. And also, you also can't try and threaten to shave my nuts. Stop. It's weird. The ankles thing has gotten out of hand. It was a joke one time about a house arrest thing with Ken Griffin because people were being fucking idiots. Okay? It's not my fault I look this way. Okay? A5 Wagyu. Stop. Bad. Bad live chat. You can't treat me this way. If I was a woman, you'd be all canceled. This double standard is bullshit. All right? I've had enough. Let's see. Who's eating the meat? Your wife. That's who. Okay, let's see. Back to work, team. You better get those puppies waxed and head to the Ferrari dealer. I think I'm going car shopping next weekend. Or this weekend now. I think I'm going to go shop. You could identify as women, then have them all canceled. Oh, I should do that. Joke's on you. I can't speak to. What's wrong with you, Eli? Dude, we have way too much fun in here sometimes. The BBIG acquisition? Who gives a fuck? Seriously, who cares? BBIG. Cool. What's it at? At 80 fucking cents. Okay. This is crap. You'd have to go up 1,000% to get back to the highs. You guys are going to make me lose my fucking mind. I'm going to say it one more time on this live stream. One more. Ready? One more time. If you try to hunt YOLOs and randomly big plays all the time, I will guarantee, there are not many guarantees, but this is one of them. I guarantee you that you will end up with way less money than when you started. Are you okay? What has happened in the past and what's most likely going to happen in the future? Please keep yourself safe. Please. If you're going to trade them with the strategies that we teach you, fair. Awesome. More power to you. Manage your risk. Do what you need to do. But if you don't, you better be ready for what's going to happen. Any pointers on executing trades more effectively, still having trouble getting in and out of trades on Webull? Yes, this is actually a really good question. We were talking about this in the Lifetime Masterclass yesterday, but I'll give you a little bit of it. You don't want to chase big candles. So let's actually go back to Friday because this was the example that we were talking about on Friday with it. Where is it? This trade. This is the one right here. So what most people will do is they'll see these giant candles. They'll forget about this level because I don't know. They just throw out everything that we've taught them. And then they'll be like, ooh, big candle, traffic light, buy it here. But then it retests up here and you're most likely getting stopped out. What you want to do is wait for these retests. That's really one of the, if you're talking about navigating your brokerage, I would say just repetition. That's going to make it a little bit easier for you. If you just continuously repeat the process of entering and exiting trades on your broker and doing it in the same way, you're going to become quicker and more efficient. I'm using your girlfriend / my wife's money. Joke's on you. What are you gonna do with a car in Boston? It won't stay here. If I buy something, it won't stay here. All right, SPY is literally right at the 200 EMA on the 5-minute too. Careful. Ooh, guys, 30 likes away from 150. Thank you, team. I hear somebody walking in the apartment above me. I feel like I'm about to get evicted. I'm just loud. You guys make me so loud because some of you guys frustrate the fuck out of me because you think you know and you don't. I've been doing this since I was 14. I've seen a lot of shit. Am I gonna list it on Turo? I actually could. Huh. I actually could do that. Thoughts on a Chipotle call before earnings tomorrow? You want to dip a toe would be your first. They're expensive though. If your first trade is an earnings play, you're either gonna have a really wildly, like a wild, like unrealistic expectation of how options move, or you're gonna be super disappointed that that position just goes right to zero. Can you come to Florida and hang out with you and Gabe on your next tequila weekend? Probably not. I don't know. I don't know. Don't you have to be 25 to rent a car on Turo? I don't think I have to be 25 to like put a car up for rent. I actually could do that, man. And I wouldn't have to rent it out very much. I'd probably only need to rent it out like 5 days a month. Huh. If no, then SUV could put a car on Turo and not be able to rent it to himself. That's fucking funny. All right, SPY's kind of up above this level here. That traffic light was filthy. You just learned the limit stop the hard way. That's a really good example of it's kind of like a small example of what we talk about. But guys, please listen to the things that I'm telling you. When have I ever said stop limits are a good idea? Never. It's all with the stop loss strategy. It's always stops. I'm trying to guarantee a fill, not a price. I'm setting them so that I know about what the price is going to be. If not earnings, what should your first options play be? 60 to 90 day in the money call. That would be a smarter thing to do, but not on an earnings thing. Like, okay, so Jackson, here's what you should do, man. I would highly suggest coming in for our 2-week free trial. We'll teach you everything you need to know. We have a full built out learning curriculum with like 15 videos walking you through, like, if you know zero about options all the way up to the top. I mean, if you do end up hopping in there for your 2 weeks free today, you can actually come to the new member live stream tonight, which will be very helpful for you. But again, when people start off in options, you have to be super, super, super careful because you want to create that really solid foundation quick. Because if you get an unrealistic expectation of, which is what most people do, they get an unrealistic. This is actually a really good talk right here. If you can't think that your first options trade, like going into an earnings, is a smart idea. What you need to be able to do is like create that foundation very, very, very quickly. Because if you don't, here's what's going to happen. You'll do exactly what I did when I first started out. Did I sort of know what I was doing? Yeah, but I was a fucking kid. So I flipped an account from like $2,000 to like 13. I got overconfident. You know where that money went? Poof, gone. Didn't take the time to build the foundation when I needed to. So most of these things that I'm telling you guys with like the stop limit thing, the stops, the making sure that you have the foundation is from experience. Like, I want you guys to have the core concepts to be able to generate consistent and profitable returns in this market. It's hard to do, but you need to have that foundation to even give yourself a shot. Remember, 98% of retail investors fail because they're acting and performing and basically thinking in the same way that everybody else is. Classic TA. All this other bullshit that people are trying to shove down your throats. Keep it simple. Make sure you're following the core principles of 1348 that we're teaching you on the platform. Use the tools that you're provided, and you will set yourself up to have a way better chance of success than all these other morons out there. Please be careful, everybody. Back in my day, I know. Trailing stops. I don't use trailing stops. I technically do, but like, where am I headed? Couldn't find the link in the description. It's at the top of the live chat, but I'll send it in here for you too, buddy. So here's the link right here. You get 2 weeks for free. The course is legit though, worth it if you got time. Yeah, I mean, that's just one part of it. The curriculum, that's just one aspect of it. You get all the videos, you get all the live streams, everything. You get the traffic lights. You actually have alerts on the daily and the 4-hour with them now. You've got Invictus, Pythagoras, Trader Joe, the alerts, real-time unusual options activity, and there's two really huge things that I'm going to be building out for you guys over the next basically year and a half. I'll let you know when the time is right. I'm probably going to be able to start working on it next month, I think. And then we'll get those out to you guys too. But everybody gets your 2 weeks free. Cashbot took 5% on a UNG call. There you go, man. Jackson, we'd love to see you in there, buddy. We have an amazing community, dude. Everybody's always helping each other out. Just hit that SPY call. There you go. 15% gain. Thanks, 1348. There you go, bud. There you go, man. I mean, you guys are crushing it, dude. I love seeing you guys win. Alex, I honestly couldn't give less of a fuck. Really couldn't. I'm not brand new, but educating yourself on this is not simple. Exactly. It's not. So much garbage on the internet to sift through. Yeah, exactly, man. I mean, we're gonna help you out. You have any questions, Jackson? If you follow me on Twitter or Instagram, just shoot me a message. I'll help you out. Let's see. How often are you using the 1, 3, and 5 minute time frames to validate each other? I feel like I'm bouncing through them all the time. I look at them a lot. I was looking at the 3 minute a little bit more this morning, but I really like trading on the 1 minute. Especially with the traffic lights. Traffic lights are filth. Let's see. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. We're almost at 150 already. I feel like that's kind of par for the course for the afternoon stream. Sometimes you run it up to like 200. Sometimes you guys get it going. For me, the mindset is the hardest to get. I'll do great for weeks and hit a bad week the next, trying to be consistent. Okay, here's how you do it. You ready? Here's this is the little trick. It's not a trick, but this is kind of the way to almost back yourself off of like the emotional tie to money that you're putting in the market. And Gabe and I were talking about this earlier. Remember how we were talking about those 2% or 2.5% allocations? It's sizing down. You're way less emotionally attached to the trade. Here's why, and this is a great example of this. Let's say that you're in a trade, but you oversize it. You go in with 15 or 20% of your account, and that goes down 10%. You're going to look at the dollar amount that it's down and say, fuck, I don't want to realize that loss right now. I want it to come back, and then I'll take it. But then it'll come back to even. Guess what happens? You don't take it. And it goes right back down. Now you're at a 15% loss. Oh shit. Hopefully it comes back. With trading with smaller size, it actually allows you to be a little bit more disciplined. You see a 10% loss on a 2.5% allocation. Okay, cool. Well, who cares? Seriously, who cares? It helps you actually generate those fundamentals and consistency in becoming a really good loser. You guys talk about that book all the time. I haven't read it, but the title of it is is the concept that I live by. You have to be a really good loser in the market in order to have success. It's not about your winning trades, really. I mean, everybody's going to have winning trades, but it's about how well can you actually minimize your losers. Sizing down on your trades is a really, really good way to take a lot of your emotions out of it. If you're struggling, might want to try that. Thanks. You're welcome. Who you calling a trick? The traffic light indicators I see on TradingView are different than yours. Hey, Carl, that's because we built these and the only people that have it is us. You can't just search traffic light indicator on TradingView and have it. The only way to get it is the charts that we give you guys on the platform. Nice hearing you rant again. Gotta go. Peace, brother. Keep up the good work. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Are you gonna do a video on the red light runner section? Not really. I mean, you guys are. I could, but at the same time, you guys already have the. You guys already have the swing. Actually, the way to do it is actually to give you guys a swing trading video. That's something that's on my radar. I have to make that video. Read the book, Certified Good Read. Best Loser Wins. Yeah, I do. I should read that. I'm bad at reading. I'll read like a chapter of shit and then I'll get bored and like go on my phone and play chess or do something stupid. Hang out with your wife. Like, I don't know. It's like some shit happens. I don't know. Sorry. Also, Tabasco Dave, if you're in here, I'll get the timestamps for this stream. What's red light runner? It's the 4-hour traffic light alerts. Can you explain the traffic lights for dummies a little bit? I hear you talk about it every time you come in. The traffic lights are probably the most powerful momentum indicator that exists right now. So when you look at this, hold on. What is that, Andy? Andy, what did you just? What is that? What the? What is this? That's confusing. But let me pull up Tesla here for you. So this, I'm just gonna throw Tesla on the daily. This is the example that I love to use. The last 2 traffic lights on Tesla were literally. I'm gonna let you guys know this right now. Life changing. This here, daily traffic light to the downside on Tesla. Boom. So we had these alerts, you actually would have seen it on the close of this day, and you would have been able to like fill it at some point on this day if you wanted to, or wait for that 13 test. So let's actually be really mean with it and talk and get it like, let's say at the bottom of this candle, 270. Let's just say you suck and are like, oh, I'm buying it at the lows. Cool. 270. Where does this thing go? 101. 101. Okay, cool. I know Wreck-It Ralph hit this one for like 800%. And he's in here right now. Now you're looking at this. You get this traffic light right here. Let's actually be really mean with it and actually top ticket. 145 rips up. I mean, you would have to hold through earnings. So this one could get a little invalidated. But again, if you're looking at both of them, just how they played on the charts, all those morons out there that say the chart is what moves everything, not the news. Well, this would be a great fucking one for you, assholes, because you're wrong in most cases. But this one, sure, you can have it. You see 145 all the way up to 195. These two, life changing. Literally life changing. So the only place to get these alerts in these traffic lights is within our platform. So everybody gets 2 weeks for free. We just unveiled the lifetime payment plan to you guys as well. I mean, we had a lot of people coming in for the free trials, saw how powerful this was, and then got lifetime. It just goes to show like just what the power of what we're doing actually is. You're a chart. You got stopped out of your TQQQ shares positions in both your accounts for 45 and 50% gains. Thank you, 1348. Oh, hey, SUV. There you go. Bed Bath & Beyond reversal. Ooh, is it going to do it? I want to nail it. I want to nail it. Where is it? Oh, where's the 1 minute traffic light? 468 to 448, 20-cent move down. Boom. There you go. Just finished watching the Burning Bridges video. You mentioned, holy shit, I had no idea who else was in on the idea. Was there more people involved? I mean, dude, at the end of the day, we've had to deal with a lot of bullshit with just a lot of shitty people over the last year. But again, we were going to let it go. And then there was some more nonsense that happened. So I just said, fuck it. I'm going to let you guys know what was actually going on. So there it is. If you guys want to know kind of a little bit of the nonsense that we've had to deal with and just the quality of people there are out in this world, go watch that video. It's on Gabe's channel. It's called Let's Burn Some Bridges. Just go watch it, man. Do you have to pay for TradingView on your platform? Yeah, you need a TradingView Pro plan. Daily traffic lights still good in this market. You get trigger shy. So here's the deal. You can size them for 0 if you want to. BS? What's BS, Alex? What's BS? And here comes Bed Bath Beyond Dad. People are both. Oh yeah, dude. People suck. I don't. The last 2022. You know what the main lesson was for me? Don't trust fucking anybody. 0. But yeah, this thing's teetering down. I mean, you guys can do what you want. You need to know who you're dealing with sometimes. Let's see. All right, guys. We're 8 likes away from 150. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Good lesson to learn? Yeah, it is a good lesson to learn. Didn't fucking hurt me at all. Like, I don't care. What's sizing for zero again? Sizing for zero, guys. Okay. This is okay. I get this question asked a lot. When I say sizing for zero, it's kind of on the sliding scale of risk that I talk about all the time. So what sizing for zero actually means is that you're putting size into a trade that you're perfectly fine with going to zero. Now, some of you guys are going to take that because your risk management is really terrible and then full port. Please don't do that. That's a really stupid thing to do. Sizing for zero is usually 1% or less of your portfolio. So if you're going to go into something that's a little bit more risky or you're a little bit hesitant with something, you can size it for zero and be perfectly fine to just close the screen after you buy it and let it go. That's what sizing for zero is. Let's see. Let's see. But I'm Italian, so we come with that and pasta pre-installed. Yeah. That's not bad. Did that for last week on AMC. Size for zero, got 650 calls, 20% of it. Hey, that's not bad, man. You size for zero. I can't say anything. Like, you guys could literally come in here and say I bought some 0 days. But if that follow-up statement is I sized it for zero, I can't, like, that's good risk management. That's all I want you guys to do. Have good risk management. Like, do I want you trading 0 days and making that a habit? No. But I mean, if you're going to size for zero, what am I going to say? It's not going to hurt your portfolio. If you said I went in with 10% of my account on 0 days, I'd be like, you're a fucking moron. I mean, you didn't. So you have Bed Bath & Beyond put size for zero. That's probably not the word. I mean, it bounced here, I think. Yeah. I mean, there was a little baby trade here that you could have hit. I kind of want those, bro. Like, I really do. Having a stock up 40% in a day is like, come on now. You top ticked it? Attaboy, Algo. What are you up on? What are you up on them right now? Like 25-ish%, I'm guessing? Maybe more? Is 32 gigabytes of RAM good enough for trading? I've never worried about my RAM in trading. 10% you play next Friday? Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad, man. All right, guys, 4 likes away from 150. I appreciate each and every one of you guys hanging out with me in the afternoon stream. You guys are awesome. Oh, what's up, Instagram people? How you guys doing? You guys are running up the stuff. I like that. Let's see how we're doing on TikTok over here. How you guys doing? TikTok slow. 0 days are for 1 or 2 minute scalps, not riding the move to the next level. No, I mean, if you size it for zero, then also use the stop loss strategy. I mean, that's probably the best way to do it. But I mean, to each his own. I'm going to tell you guys the best way to do things, the way I see it and the way my experiences showed me. And you can either listen to the things that I say or not. At the end of the day, you're going to make your own decisions. You need internet? Yeah, you really just need a good internet connection. That's it. You don't want things lagging out. That would be really shitty. That would be really icky. All right, folks. SPY coming down to that 1 minute 200 here with a nice little traffic light to the downside. I mean, I'm fine with my gains today. I don't really need to be taking anything else. I'll take the green and leave. Take my basketball and go home. All right. Yeah, this thing bounced back up. Where's Tassie? Ooh, Tassie. I think you're close to taking TLT leaps. No. I don't want them yet. I need rates. Like rates would have to go like plummeting in order for TLT to work. Today looks like Chop City. It is. It is. That's exactly what today is. I mean, you're seeing some larger candles start to fly around here, but again, I mean, this thing just looks like it wants to hover around 410. So I don't really want to be messing around with this. You start your new job in 25 minutes. Wish you luck. I wish you all the greatest wealth in the market. Stay vigilant. Don't get lazy. Much love. Alex, I hope you crush it at your new job, buddy. This is the other thing that we've been talking about here too. A lot of you guys want to start trading full time, and we did make a video about this previously, like a little short form one, but switching from like having another stream of income to only using trading as your stream of income is very similar from going from paper trading to real money. If you then are thinking when you're going to enter trades, oh, fuck, I need to make enough money to pay my rent. I need to make enough money to pay my food. I need to make enough money to pay for my kids' school. It's a very different game. You're putting more pressure on yourself. Trading is stressful and risky enough as it is. You don't need to try and make it harder on yourself. So I would say, I mean, again, this is just my opinion on it, that you want to have multiple streams of income and use trading as almost like, okay, it's bonus money. If you can do really well with it, awesome. If you're still struggling, you don't want to be basically handcuffing yourself and saying, if I don't make money right now, I can't eat. That's not what you want to do. So we've talked about that a few times. I mean, I know a lot of you guys have the skills to do it, become full-time traders, but it's a different game. Different game. Yeah, they're waiting for Powell. Yeah, it does look like that. Yeah, I'll throw that link in here again for all you guys with the free trial. Remember, if you guys do want the lifetime payment plan, it just came out today. So if you're already an existing member and you were waiting around for that lifetime payment plan, just reach out to Diana. She'll help you out with transferring over and you guys will be all good to go. If you're a new member, all you got to do is on the checkout screen. It's like below the other tiers. It says like click here to see our structured plans. And then you click that and then you can get it. But that's on the checkout screen. It's not like its own box. So for those of you guys that like to confuse yourselves for no reason, there you go. 1.46%. Ryan, I'm very proud of you. But if you're up over 1% on the day, what should you most likely do? Also, Ryan, this is what I want to ask you. Are you hesitating? I don't think you're hesitating. Haha, you'll never be able to get rid of me lifetime. Yeah. So again, with the structured payment plan, you get the master classes, but you get them delayed, but you don't get beta access to the new products. If you do want live master classes and beta access, you got to go for the 3-year plan, which is its own box. You be making 3 times your job income before it's safe to quit. Yeah, I think that's not bad. I think you're but a lot less. Fuck yeah, Ryan. There you go. Oh, hello. Let's see. What's the 3-year plan? 1348 each year for no, it's every 3 years. So if you view that in terms of like the yearly plan versus the 3-year, the 3-year one is a killer deal. We just love giving you guys just stupid deals. I don't even know why the fuck we do that. Like, you guys are just stealing from us at this point. You're at 15% of the portfolio today. There you go. I am acknowledging my good ability to sell before you didn't see yours making it. Well, okay, that's fine. Did you hear about the street-wide reporting issue with OTC tickers? I got a message on top of your Ameritrade account. I haven't seen that, but we're not fucking around with OTC anyway, so it's not going to matter to us. Imagine this. Imagine all the bullshit happens on like the New York Stock Exchange, the NASDAQ, and then multiply it by 10 when you go OTC. You put your money in there, it's basically like throwing it into the abyss and being like, YOLO, hopefully it comes back. Careful with OTC. What is OTC? It's over the counter. They're not listed on any of the big exchanges. So it's lower volume, more bullshit, things like that. Things like that. Oh, dude, you guys are killing it on the like button. I love it, man. You made a trade today with your baby on your lap. That was hard, but green. There you go, Ryan. Congratulations on the baby. All right, guys. If you wanted another illustration of the traffic lights, look at how filthy it is. So here's what I want you guys to realize too. I want you to view this 1 minute time frame here like the daily. You're so confused. Oh, Rogue, go watch the I mean, I can also just tell you. If you call me later, I'll just tell you what happened. But there is a video out there on it. It's on Gabe's channel. It's called Let's Burn Some Bridges. Those two that aren't with us right now, fucking, oh my god, bro. Some people are just icky. Let's see. Let's see. I mean, so if you're imagining this is the daily, these ranges are going to be bigger. So you're going to see your positions fluctuate a little bit more, which is why I say get way more time than you think you need. Let's see. Still trying to get used to the 1 minute, since I thought we only played the 5. The 1 minute is really good with the traffic lights. Anything else? No. And they're quick. You got to be quick with them. Let's see. What the fuck was that? Back when I started? What are you talking about, Christian? Should pay his taxes? Yeah. The funniest part is that we're not responsible for it. Like, we aren't. Like, it's not us. It's like you're trying to fuck us. It's like, no, that's not how accounting works. Let's see. Alaman, stop listening to morons on the internet that have no idea what the fuck they're talking about. They're just hyping shit up to get you excited to confirm your bias. No, it's not going to be bigger than that. What happened the last time that it ran? The C-suite literally like just dumped. like Ryan Cohen pump and dumped it, bro. Like that's what he did. Go back and look at the tweets. It's like, that seems a bit fucked up. Let's see. You have Trading View pulled up on your Xbox? What? Is that why you're talking about RAM, bro? What the fuck? People got clobbered. Yeah, don't lead yourself to the slaughter. Just get your damn 2-week free trial and start printing money. When you this is the thing. Once you start making money in the market, like participating in the things that we do every single day, you don't give a fuck about any of the other stuff. You're like, yeah, whatever, bro. I'm just gonna make consistent money every day, which is what a lot of you guys have done. I'll call you. All right, Grog, we can do that. Later, obviously. Yes, later. I'll just call you after the stream. I'll tell you some of the other shit too that we didn't say in that video. Make it a space call. Bro, fuck space calls, bro. Let's see. Hard lesson when people start talking squeeze by puts. Yeah. It's usually how it goes. Well, that knife was premature. Yeah, we'll see. They're just hovering around 410. I don't like any of this. That's why I'm not taking these trades because like it can run and then just come back to the 410 magnet zone. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. Space calls. Kelly. Dude, you guys are fucking funny. I love hanging out with you guys. It's always a good time. We always have a good time, man. What's the subscription that includes monthly toenail clippings from STV? I'm not a piece of meat. You cannot treat me as such. Even if you think I'm whatever the Wagyu thing is, you can't just say that. If I was a woman, you guys would be so canceled. You guys would be so arrested from your jobs. But because I'm a dude, I have to sit here and deal with your shit. It's fine. It just makes you guys really fucking weird. You guys are always trying to see my feet. You're trying to now shave my nuts. And now you want my toenail clippings. Why can't we just talk about the damn stock market? That's what I'm here to do. I'm not here to be a little internet hooker. That's not what this is. Just because I need a haircut, but just because I have like sort of poofy hair and I wear a suit does not make me what you think it does. Okay, you people. Fucking Jesus. How bad do you want that car? I don't think I'm going to do that to you. That's just, I can't then buy the, I'd have to buy the car before he gets it. Yo, it's incredible how accurate the levels are with your platform. Big props. Yeah. Oh, are you talking about on the alerts? So like these right, like the 3 minutes? Yeah. So we actually give you support and resistance drawn out too. They're nasty. It's all automated. So we have automatic supported resistance for you guys too. You don't even have to think. You should get a wax. That's what it is. It's waxing. Dude, that's what they're trying to do to me, bro. They're trying to, and Diana's trying to do it too. You can't do that. This is, you're going to end up on a little episode of Law & Order SVU. Dunda. The dedicated detectives who investigate these vicious felonies are members of an elite squad known as the Special Victims Unit. These are STV's live chat stories. Dunda. That's you. You're all going to jail. Good for you guys. You said a couple weird things. I can't believe this. I can't believe this, bro. You can't. If you interview 10 millionaires, you have to shave your head. Why does other people gaining, I have to lose? Why do I have to shave my head? She should wax them while saying NVIDIA? No, that's not okay. Oh, guys. Oh, the supported resistance on the charts? Are you talking about these automatic ones or the blue pill lines? It's been decided the head is being shaved. You can't. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Jesus. You fucking people. Well, as you guys can see, we like to have a lot of fun around here. This is creating the weirdest kinks. Wax the Rogue. I don't need you saying this shit too. Don't egg them on because they will not stop. All right, guys. At least get the damn stream to 200 likes. We're 40 away. Can you at least do that for me? We're like 10 minutes to go. Come on. What? Can you at least do that for me? Please. Just fucking, why do we have to do this shit? Come on, dude. What is, you fucking, you guys just. Love you, man. Good on you. Thanks, I guess. I didn't even do anything, bro. You keep this the part of what happened. Go watch the Lisa. Go watch the Burning Bridges video on Gabe's channel. If you want to know, it's already out there in a video. Yeah. Oh, dude, that Kansas trip was so fucking weird. It was so weird. Rogue, how weird was that shit? We were going to go and have some like weird meetup, and apparently it was just not. And I was like, okay, well, what the fuck are we doing in Kansas? Why are we here? Then we just fucking literally ate food, drank, and hung out. Like, I was like, all right, guys, why the fuck did we do this? It was so strange, dude. Fucking stop. Rogue, dude, she was crazy. I had to sprint away. I was like, leave me alone. I was literally running away. I was like, I don't play no fucking games here. I'm not messing around with this. Don't fucking run after me when I'm just going to grab someone toothpaste. I am sprinting my ass out of here. That whole thing was weird. And then I'm on live stream at like 6 a.m. drunk. Like, it was just the weirdest fucking thing. Never going back. Let's see. Really? Wait, really? Dude, it was like we were supposed to like do this giant meetup with a bunch of fans and then like maybe try to go to the shareholder meeting, which we didn't do. And then we didn't do the meetup. So we literally just ended up going and eating food and drinking for like a few days. I was like, what the fuck are we doing here? It was so weird. It was cool to meet everybody for the first time, but like other than that, I was like, all right, what the fuck are we doing? It's like I could have just stayed my ass home in my basement with air conditioning. Lisa, yeah, definitely go watch that video. It's been out there for a while about what happened. You can actually physically go to the. I think you can. I don't know. I didn't go. Like, I don't know. You might be able to. And we were just like, oh, it was today. We were like, oh, cool. It just didn't go. I was like, all right. So I confirmed SV is in his mom's basement. Is a green screen. No, you guys remember what was it? The Steve Young poster behind? That was my old basement. That was my office. And that was also when, this is the problem too. That was when my dad had just had surgery. So he was like sleeping, like right there, like right through the sliding door. And I was like, I'm gonna wake him up. And I would stream until like the hours of I just remember I would do those night streams. It would be on until like 10. And he's like trying to sleep. So then I had to move my shit upstairs. And then that was just making it was loud as fuck everywhere. It was like, this sucks. Like, your sister tried to sneak behind you? When was no. That was Florida this year. Filters are a dangerous tool. Yeah. But hey, at least I got to meet Gabe. And Rogue. Rogue, I'm still cool with Rogue. I think Applejacks was there too, wasn't he? I don't even remember, dude. We were just drinking the whole time. And I said it. I forgot. Hey. Don't you fucking give me that. How many times have I met Gabe in person? A bunch, man. A bunch. 1, 2, 3, like 5 or 6. Everybody was always like, remember the whole thing where it's like, what happened in Kansas? I mean, there was one thing, but it's like silly. And I'm like, all right, well, I'm not going to say that. And then it's just like, and then nothing has to do with like anything. And everybody was all going crazy about it. It's like, all right, like, no, Lisa, just go watch the video. Like, you should stream internationally. What do you mean? Like, I should go to another country and stream? You can watch my Everett. You're in Korea. You're watching my streams. I am streaming internationally. It was legit a hangout. That's literally it. Yeah, it was like what? I don't even know, dude. I'm never going back to fucking Kansas again. Spy moving back up. Let's see. It was so strange. I see no proof of what I said. Oh, shut the fuck up. All right, guys. Let's see. We got a few minutes left here. Spy's kind of screwing around. Not doing a whole lot. The yellow brick road. What's the yellow brick road? A porch? When was there a porch? You recommend trading in the morning to be done fast for the day? I like trading in the morning. He can just change his green screen to whatever country he wants. It's not a green screen. I live here. All right, Spy. Let's see. Is it because the company said so, so we went to eat? Exactly. Like, no, it wasn't even that. It wasn't even that. It was like it just didn't happen. Like, it wasn't even supposed to be with like any of the people who worked there. It was literally just supposed to be a fan thing. It was so weird. I don't know, man. Weird experience. Very weird. Let's see. Spy's got a candle here. Let's see. It was mainly like, oh, you want to go? I was like, not really. They're like, we're all going. I was like, all right. At least it's not gonna be just me. Let's see. Yeah, 1 in 5 minute traffic light is about. I mean, you got resistance overhead at like 410.50. I just don't like any of this. I feel like they're gonna use this 410 as a magnet level and it's gonna fuck around. Trapping 0 days expiration at 3. I don't think they can really trap them anymore because I think most brokerages allow you to enter them after now. Like, I think Webull does. At least on SPX, I believe they do. Let's see. Let's see. U.S. watching China ties to Russia closely. I'll solve that issue for you. They're fucking tied. How about that? That's very simple. Like, let's see. Damn it, Spy. Can we get a direction up or down? I don't care which. I think this 410 magnet level is going to be kind of where we fuck around with towards the end of the day. That's just what I see. You've seen it just kind of hover here for most of the day. Just chop, 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 chop. Woo! Chop, 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 chop. Like, I don't like any of this. Like, you're gonna you'd literally be risking like a wild candle in the other direction for like maybe a 10% gain. It's like, what are we doing? Why? If you're already green on the day, it's not really worth fucking around with it too much. $5.09% on the port, just watching the rest of the day. Pirate, you fucking monster. At a boy. At a boy, dude. There you guys go. All right, team. Let's see. We saw the time and we were like, damn, it's already over. But we were going off a different time on your phone because it didn't change. Oh, was that because we didn't know when the market closed? We were like, is it open still? There's time difference that nobody knew about because nobody knew where the fuck Kansas was. All right, guys, it's 3 p.m. That's going to be wrapping up the stream for the day. I'm going to throw this link in here for you guys. Make sure that you guys hop in for your 2 weeks for free. There you guys go. Again, 2 weeks for free. You guys get the traffic light alerts now on the daily and the 4-hour. The dailies are going to come out after close today on the stocks that did it. So make sure you guys prepare to make your watch list for that. All of the new members that are about to be hopping into, we do have the new member live stream tonight at around 8 or 8:30 Eastern. We'll send you guys that out too. And if you are looking to get on that lifetime payment plan that just got released today, shoot a message to Diana. She will help you guys transferring over. She's probably going to be done around 4 today because guys, please do not like bombard Diana at like 8, 9, 10 p.m. That's not fair to her. So team, 4% on the port. Somebody pry my friggin' hands off the mouse, please. Dude, get out of there. Stop. But yeah, so team, I will see you later. Hop in there if you want to come to the best place to learn how to trade. Don't get led to the slaughter by these other morons out there. Other than that, team, I will see you later. Oh, be on the lookout for the short form videos coming out later today. I've got one scheduled to go out in a little bit. Actually, we have one on YouTube today too. TikTok and Instagram. Make sure you guys follow me over there. Short the Vix one. Other than that, team, love you guys. Peace.